the last train again.
Yeah, last train, here we go. On Shockwave. I don't think I'll be able to get any more POVs, unfortunately, so this will be the last one on the stand-up. So I'll be here all day. Might get the last ride of the day. Yeah, so Shockwave opened in 1994. It's one of 2 remaining stand-up coasters in Europe. The other one is in Italy. And yeah, goodbye Shockwave Stand-Up. So next year you'll be coming here, it'll be a sit-down train. Here we go. Sharp brakes. Yeah, good coaster. Brilliant.
Was the Shockwave Q line.
Alright, here we go, one of the last public trains on stand-up Shockwave. On the front row, not like it really matters because I've got the hand strap on. Still don't like saying hand strap. But yeah, here we go, the park closes in literally a minute's time. They do have a group of enthusiasts that are getting the actual official last train of the night, so when I come off here, I'll wait for them guys to go on there. Basically, there was little envelopes around the park, like a little competition, and there was competition winners to come and ride it for the last day. But I've got on it, I'm here with the public riders, and here we go, last ever ride on stand-up Shockwave. And before you start commenting, no, it's not being knocked down, they're just changing the train, and a new name, and a new colour. So here we go, Shockwave, last time. Woo! Oh, wow.